You are going to love the 2017 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's motorsports performance division. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers, side and top view cameras, rear window defroster, navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.